one thing, and one thing only. Don't you ever. And I mean ever. Give up.
Welcome to a new vlog. It is Saturday. Yay! Yes, welcome to a new vlog. I just want to say thank you for all the love, the likes, the share, the comments on my previous video, and I do hope that you also love this video. I'm not sure what is gonna come in this video, but we're here for it, right? Yay, we're here for it. So I just want to welcome you to a new vlog. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to tell them friend to tell them other friend. So if you come over here and join the H2B lifestyle family. I don't want to even say H2B lifestyle family, but the reason why I'm saying that is because I'm presently on the H2B program, but this is just my journey, so just follow on my journey, right? For all those who've been rocking with me from day one, big up, nice clean self. I have packages that I want to pull and just tell you a little bit about the package and why I ordered the package. But as I said, just like, comment, share, subscribe, bam. Last week I was planning to do like a little jerk off kind of thing where I buy chicken, probably sell for at a price, because many people, since I've been here, there's been a lot of guys been asking me if I'm not going to cook. They will pay me and all these stuff. So why not? Why not? Why not, right? So I went to Walmart yesterday after I went to the DMV. So if you want to know about the whole DMV situation and story, watch the previous vlog if you have not watched it yet. So I went to DMV and then I went to Walmart and I purchased 2 bags of chicken to jerk, and I was planning to jerk today, but I changed my mind because everybody's at work. Doesn't make any sense. Next week more people are off, so I'm just going to jerk next week because I'm off next week Friday. The day may change based on the days off I get, but I don't only just want to just jerk and eat and laugh and chill and whatever. I also want to play games. I want it to be fun, interactive, just like in Vermont. So I'm just trying to create that Vermont feeling here. Yes, I went ahead and I bought a couple stuff, so I'm just going to review it before you. So the first one is this bag, right? And it's been a while since I opened any packages on here, right? Yeah. So I bought 2 of this. So it's Domino's. So I bought 2 Domino's, and I'm going to link these in the description down below, and it's going to be on my storefront. So if you want to purchase it, then purchase it, and also going to put the price up on here so that you can buy it. So I bought 2 of this, and the reason why I bought 2 of this is because when time somebody play domino, you have to wait on them. Yeah, we don't want that. I already have one, but it's a small one, and I hope this is the right size. I pray. So it comes in this thing, slide it, and then it's the small one too. Is it the small one? I think it's good. No, let me feel it, because I bought it because I wanted the big one, but it seems like it's a small one too. It's a small one. It's fine. It can work. It's better than the one that I have. So this is a small one, but I'm going to link the normal size one. But it's good, man. It's good. It's good. So I'm going to link. It comes with the instruction, just so you know. That's the instruction. I'm going to show you the one that I'm talking about so you can compare. And you also get this thing, like they have other games that they recommend you to buy if you want to purchase. So I may go ahead and buy more depending, because we want to do bingo too. Alright, we want to be very active and just have fun. Yeah. So let me show you the other one that I have. This is the one that I bought in Walmart, and it was really small. You see, it feels so smaller. Yes, it's the same, kind of the same size, but this one is more thicker. I guess it can work. I guess it can work. This one just feels so fragile and small. Yeah. So I'm going to double check with the guys. If they're okay with it, then we keep it. So we have 3 dominoes, 1 card pack, and then we bought Jamaican Ludo board. Yeah. So I bought it on Prime, and surprisingly it comes so fast. Like, it told me that it was gonna come tomorrow and it come today. Like, it will come less than 2 days. So let me show you. So first we take it out. Woo! Out the box. And I love the fact that they brand their box. Alright, it comes in this wrap so that it kind of protects the board. And then look at this. Ooh. Look what comes in it. Wow, nice. Oh, nice. So look, this is branded, right? And normally when you buy a Ludo board, you just get the Ludo board, but not this one. This one, it comes, let me show you. Put this aside 1 minute. Remember, only if a guy there, that's why you see me buy the whole cartel and Mavana and all them there. You know, because you try to capture the people there. Look, it comes with dice, and it comes with the man. You know, it comes with different colors. So you have yellow, blue, green, and red. So you have the man, nice, and you put it back in this. Yeah. And then I think this is like a dust bag to put it in. Like, the person who did this thought about it. Then put all the details in it. I love it. I love it. Look. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. So now I can protect it. This is lovely. Right? So that comes with that, and then it comes with the instruction, because not many people know how to play Ludo board, and it comes with acts and cheats. I have to read this now, because I'm not making one them see it. It shows you how to play, who we are, them tell them about themselves, them tell them about like the contact us, what is Ludo, you know. It tells you a lot of stuff, general games, rules of the game. Like, I love this. And then you have the board. Alright, look at this. It has the thing to put it on. Look, hey, they thought about everything so it doesn't slide. Alright, and it's just a smooth flat surface. And then it's a dancehall edition. Alright, look at that. Yeah, try to see if it can, if you scratch it, it thing there. So you have Vibes Cartel, so you know them call him the world boss. So you have world right here. So you have Ninja Man, seeing this, so you have my father seeing this, so you have my father seeing this, so and then you go home. So yeah. So look how I'm gonna pack up this now. Okay, it's like a bag. Nice. Okay, draw the string and walk with it on your back. Oh man, I love the fact that they thought about this. So yeah, and then card pack. So here, that's all that I got in my unboxing, and yeah, stay tuned for all the fun stuff that's to come. People are slowly getting to know that, yeah, it's V-La-Nessa, right? And I do vlogs. And yeah, so stay tuned. All right, good morning, guys. So, today's a work day, but I was supposed to do jerk chicken on Friday, but because we never have the company, we never do it. So we have a jerk chicken that I already seasoned, and I'm going to back out and put in the freezer until Friday. Yeah, because many people off Friday, so I don't want it spoiled in the fridge, even though I don't think it will. But you know, prevention better than cure. So we just bag them out. Let me show you. And just bag them out. Well seasoned, you know? Well seasoned. Yes, I'm just bag them out. I'll put them in the freezer. So put it. So I have 3 bags of this, so 4 is in this, 4 is in that. That's 8 leg quarters, and then you have 3 in that. That's 11 leg quarters. So that's what I was trying to jerk, but yeah, now I do it alone because I run at the back part as I maybe show you before, and the balance part like that, but now I know because I asked the housing manager. So yeah, I don't want it to spoil, so that's why yeah, it's in the freezer. So Wednesday, Thursday, I take it out. Yeah, so I bagged that up, and guys, I want to show you something that I discovered on this property. So we have a little gym. It's not a big gym, but I'm gonna show you. It's right upstairs from the kitchen, so I'm just gonna show you. Alright, so let me tell you about these washing machine. You see these washing machine, they're so small and cute, but inside is very small. So I was thinking that, oh yeah, I can buy it and bring it home. Maybe the dryer, but not so much the washer, because you can't go wash the blanket that I have, because by the time you put the blanket in there, it's full. Even though I don't have any thick blanket like that, so I think it's perfect, you know, for like Jamaica. But I said we can't find it and link it down. The name Equator. Find it and see if I can link it down. But it's really good. And the other thing that I see, it kind of leaks. Maybe it's the one. It kind of leaks. It leaks. It's only cool more. Sometimes one them leak. The one I'm gonna see it can leak. And then when I have more options, so cool more seems like it better. So I'm gonna show you the gym upstairs. So scary. So you have a bathroom right there, so you can come and get dressed. You have the bench press, you have a bicycle, you have balls and mats and so forth. You have this iFit that you can use the dumbbell them and the elastic and all these stuff. You have a bicycle, another bicycle, you have a treadmill. So it is small, but for a female, I think this is good because they don't need like this big old weights or anything like that. And I think this alone, it targets all part of your body. So you just turn it on and the workout come on the screen and so forth. So this is the little gym. If you don't want to go to the big one, because you have a big one that we can go for free, but it's at a distance, and if you don't drive, then you might as well come and utilize this, and it's pretty clean. Yeah, it's just kind of close. So if you're claustrophobic, this is not the space for you, you know. But yeah, this is it. Right above the kitchen. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but I guess there's a room next door, that's why. So yeah, that's the gym. Yes, so every day is like I discover something new. There's still a place down there that I want to go, but I don't want to go alone because I don't want to stay by me, and it's not even that everybody is afraid too. So one day when I build up the courage and I'll go down there and see what's down there, it just look interesting. So that's pretty much it. I have 3 hours until work. All of my work, all of my shift is in evening, 4:30. I don't mind because I like to have the morning. I can do something, maybe start focusing now on, promoting my business and so forth. Like find something to do. I know it's not gonna be like this always, but at least I can utilize this week and do something productive for myself. Alright? So about breakfast, and I already have dinner. I'm not gonna look about anything today. I think I'm not gonna cook for the next couple of days because we're tired of that. Yeah. So just gonna get dressed later on and get to work and do what we have to do. Happy Sunday, guys. So I just want to make you know, say yo, I'm pull out me here because I know anytime I do our next clip, I gonna say, oh, what happened? Or it's another video from Wappy Kill Philip. No, so the year there girl. Just pull out me here, I'm gonna wash it right now. And guys, I need to fix my edges. I put in too much bread and to jog out my edges. You see? So I need to work on that. Anyhow, my roommate is cooking. It is Sunday. I said that earlier. No. It is Sunday. She's cooking. She's cooking curry, goat, baked chicken, and rice and peas. And I just went to check on her. She was like, "Oh, you just come help me cook." I was like, "Nope, just come look. Now I help you because last week I me one cook." So I'm gonna wash me hair, blow dry it, and see what I can do with it for work. Cause now it is. You understand? Probably put on a week. I don't know. So I'm gonna see if I can do like a little clay mask thing. This is gonna be like the second time I use this. I'm gonna put it on my face and everything because everything needs to take care. And guys, I cannot find my products. Like I don't know if it drop out of the box or something, I just overlook it. But I'm gonna put this on my face along with my hair. So I have this, and I bought apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to use this. Now I'm going to really show you, just know, if anything, if you ask me, we can do that now in next video, but not right now. You understand? Because I'm up on a crunch time. So I'm just going to mix this. I'll come back to you when have everything on it. You understand? And then after that now, I'm going to use the leave-in conditions and probably don't dry me here. I don't know how it's gonna work out for later on, but I need to treat me here, I need to treat my face because it's been breaking out. As I said, I cannot find my products. So they catch you in the next clip. Alright, so face is done, hair is done. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just clean up the place because the thing just get all over. I'm gonna allow this to dry, then I'm gonna take a shower, wash up my hair and everything. So that is that for today, Sunday. Hopefully I can do all of this before work start. Now, if anything, I guess I gotta sling on a wig. I just wear me here with and go on. I don't know. But yeah, we'll decide. Guys, look at my dinner. My roommate gave me curry goat, barbecue chicken, and these stuff. Yeah, I did my eyebrows, so I shaved my eyebrows. I'm gonna eat this up, like, can't wait. This is breakfast, that's not lunch and dinner, by the way. I never had no breakfast, not lunch. This is breakfast, lunch and dinner. So I'm gonna eat this and come back one next time. Guys, so I am ready. I went to go to the dental office. Yesterday I received my dental card and my medical card because I signed up for those stuff. It sounded like it was a good deal. So the medical, I think it's $0, and then there's another one for $90 something, and I signed up for that one. And then I start thinking, like, when I'm in Jamaica, I'm gonna still pay the $90 something for 3 months, 4 months, and I don't want to do that. But I may reconsider because it's just 4 months and yeah, we need life insurance. And the dental is just $3. So I'm gonna go because I really need to go to dental, get cleaning, whatever I need to do. Yeah, so I need to go there because since I got here, I've never been to the dentist. I went to the dentist before I get here, and so every 6 months you're supposed to go to the dentist, and it's been like 2.5 years. Like what? What? Yeah, so right now I am ready. The shirt that my company gave me and my regular jeans, shorts kind of thing. Not really shorts, but they call it, the bikers shorts. Yeah, jeans bikers. What's that name? Yeah. And this is my hair natural, keeping it out. We look young. I wonder if I should start rocket. I show my camera if you comment, Yeah, but I'm just gonna go right now. Boy, I look like a tiger. I mean, I walk with the umbrella, I just all go. I was trying to call him. Another thing, the service don't work good out here, so I'll go set an appointment, or if I can get through right now. But I'll keep you up to date. All right, so let's go. All right, so me just get a drive. That is good. I've reached the place. Yeah, so me just a walk and look for the place. Like, me literally just a walk in a circle because we don't know which part. But thank God me get a ride. You know? Errands then talk here. So I got my appointment set for 2 o'clock. Yeah. And then what I'm gonna do, cleaning and checkup, so they're gonna let me know what I need. Me definitely know so many braces and all this stuff, but just I could see what they want. Yeah. Hopefully me get like a plan, or then tell me like how much it is. Understand? Because I really wanna treat my mouth area. Like, just look at me I fling away the appointment card. Yeah, I really want to do my services here because it's better than Jamaica, I think. Yeah, so we will see. I know what I'm gonna do today, honestly, and I don't feel like more cook today, honestly. But me definitely know something I have to wash, so I'm going to wash. Like, I'm tired of the same thing over and over and over and over again. I just want something different. I don't know if you understand. Something different. I'm gonna go home, wash, then tomorrow before work, come to the dentist place. I think I have it at 2 o'clock. So, I don't know if we just get dressed and then go. Maybe. Yeah, so maybe with that, because by the time that then 3 o'clock, then at 4 if we reach. So might as well just get dressed and go to the dentist place. Just like when I was in Miami, some really nice car there, like not lie, some really nice car. Oh, and I'm gonna just clean up the place a little bit. And I'm gonna just check in at the kitchen and see if nothing in there to cook. Probably, maybe me look for something. I don't know, but I feel macaroni and cheese in the morning. That I feel for. Anyhow, I'm gonna just continue to walk this journey. So I've secured the bag, secured the food, and now I'm going to just walk home, and I'm not too far, just right next door. Yeah, and then me find another shortcut. Well, not another shortcut, we never find one before, but yeah, there it is. Look, they have dogs. So the library, I think. Library. Can't come and read. Or is that school? Oh, is that school? It's a school. It's a school. Yeah, so just right around the corner. So I'm gonna eat this with my breakfast and then figure out, oh yeah, we need to wash, as I said. So that's what I'm gonna do on my day off, and probably do some work because we need to go on Shopify and all these stuff. We need to do some research. Like, we need to do one bag of stuff. So that is what today is dedicated to. So last week vlog, right? At the end, I'm gonna say right DMV, cause we never know when me gonna tell yourself right. I'm say right DMV, and I'm say somebody right DMV question mark. I'm gonna say for the whole day me there, I think. I when me say wrong, DMV. I say but me say right at the place where I do the license is DMV. Never say nothing wrong. And then I say more people are type DMV. And then I say, oh, I forget to me telling us if right DMV. No man, I can't manage. And then somebody said, if I bush me live, yes, we live in the mountains, and it's pure bush, which is fine because it's good for it's pure here, you know, very good. So it's far. That's why we are drive and I'm going to the city. We have to drive go round until we reach down at the bottom of a mountain. But it's fine. At least if you get like Chick-fil-A and them something, they kind of 30 minutes away, so not that bad. So yeah. Anyhow, me reach to the farm I go. And yeah, I'm just gonna eat this and stuff. Water get dirty. Hello. Housekeeper, I clean the kitchen. See, I don't know if you can see her. So this I come out, I clean the kitchen. Took time I want to send her because I nothing bite me. I just walk here so because I want to check if the machine is available. Yep, they're all available. These machines are like closer to where I live. I don't have to walk all the way up this way, which is good. So see there this way, and we live right this way. So right now I'm just going to go and wash since nobody is using it. So I'm gonna use 3 washer. It's the next day and I'm going to the dental place right now. It is like 5 minutes after 1. Boy, I can't get over the hill. No sir. It is 5 minutes after 1 and I'm going to walk to the dental place. My appointment is at 2. They just messaged me. I want to get reception and I'm outside. They just get the message. So I go walk and go. Boy, they hill there. They hill there, man. They hill there. Can't manage it. So when we reach, I got to the time. Unlike yesterday, I got a ride today. I'm going to walk. I have to reach back home by the latest 3:30 so I can get ready for work. Work is at 4:30. So yeah, just making my little time and go. My roommate reached and she never had a key. So she come collect the key and she said I can't get a ride. But I don't want a ride because if I get a ride, I go reach too quick. I'm too early. So yeah, we pan her. So just so you know, if we reach like 2 minutes, 3 minutes late, it's because of her. Right? No, I'm not gonna reach late. I just talk about like the time, we didn't depend on timing thing, but if we pan her, upon the carrier. She nice. She work out. I wish part we work. Old vintage cars, them. Mostly vintage car because of people with money. But such is life. You see how long she take? You see how long she taking? Even though I don't mind the delays because I just realize we should leave at least 1:30. Stem come there. So I reach out 1:30, leave at 1:30. Hey guys. and collect the key, and he might ask if we don't want to ride. I said no, because if I take the ride, I reach too early, and my exercise, we need like a sun and like a thing, you know. Yeah, it's good. Just look up the sun. Yeah, so back to normal routine. Walking to the dental office. Right now, I'm too early and I see them back third back again. Like something not going over at school over there, so like, you know.
Don't worry, I've never led you astray.
Over there,
I
so.
was 3 minutes late the one time, but that was it.
They might play music and like a some
Go
sports
back
day
to your
event.
station, please.
Something.
Don't even think about
Like
it.
sometimes I miss the old England schooling because it's nice, not to lie. You know, stress you out. It's like you really love school when you go there. But we reach at the dental place right now, early, like 30 minutes, 39 minutes early. So we'll go in just in case we can get an early spot and leave earlier. So I think they're on lunch because they need to miss at 2 o'clock then come back from lunch. So I'm just gonna sit down and wait until them reach from lunch. Cause in here quiet, please, if I'm not to know how much money or if it's free, but the co-worker said he never pay no money, so maybe I'll tell you after. But let's just take a look at the dental office. So here's the waiting area. So as I said, I'm early because they gone to lunch. She did tell me it's 2 o'clock then come out for lunch. So I'm just gonna sit down and wait. Make some calls or something like that. I'm reading is fundamental. So if you look, it said we are in a meeting. We'll be back shortly. But she did tell me it's her lunch. So more than likely, a lunch and not staff meeting. But I'm gonna put in the Wi-Fi password because as I'm reaching in the building, some have no service. I'm gonna need Wi-Fi. As them seem to be having so much fun over there. So it's some water park. I guess it's the beginning of summer, where summer being a long time. But they have like fire truck and water pump, and then there's a spread on the kids, and they're just having a good time. But it's kind of funny, you know, kids love playing in water. See them so they look so. And you can see that I spread the water on the kids. They have like fire truck and everything over there. One thing is over here now. Watch it. So the kids are having fun. That is fun. That is cool.
So this is your right side of your mouth. Do you see these little almost spike looking pieces? So those are areas of calculus buildup. Okay, that's tartar. That's that bacterial biofilm that's hardened to your teeth. It's almost like having cement stuck to your tooth. Okay. Let's see. That is one of your wisdom teeth here. It appears this one over here is a wisdom tooth. I'll have to look in your mouth and see. On the left side, I'm seeing more of that hardened deposit on your teeth. This is hardened bacteria, so this can cause inflammation in these areas here, and it can cause bone loss in those areas. Okay. So that's what I'm going to be mostly trying to remove today, are those hardened pieces that I'm seeing.
Okay.
And what I can feel when I get in your mouth, because not all of them show up on the x-rays. Some of them won't show up.
Okay.
Just depends on how long it's been calcified on your teeth. She's fallen. She's been able to get out. So the water pick that you have, is it a cordless one like this, or is it
something like
this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I typically tell people with this one, you can use this one in the shower. That way you're not spraying water everywhere. Fill up the tank, do your top teeth, and then fill up the tank again, and then do your bottom teeth. Okay. That way you're spending enough time in those pockets to really flush everything out.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. guys, we just finished and it is 3:12. Work start 4:30, so we have enough time to go on and get dressed for work. But let me tell you, listen, me, when I do no more business in Jamaica, I'm sorry. Whether it be bank, dental, anything, nothing. Like, the lady was so thorough. Like, we learned so much things about my teeth today that we never know before. Like, me a class 3, she literally did a scan on my tooth. Even when me not do braces, never do no scan for my teeth, but then, you know, so they look cheap. People them do braces for me. But they have some black something up here, so I really think I decay, you know, and the man said no, it's stain. So me not have no cavity, no nothing. The only thing is that I had built up under my gum, and she went in and she cleaned out everything and she talked to me about everything. Like, oh God, I'm gonna get free stuff. Yeah, but oh God, man, listen, if you don't come on the program, pay for insurance and go on the dental, make a huge difference. When they are Jamaica and them a clean my teeth, all them do a clean the surface. Like, me do that every day. The lady not even clean my surface because she knows say she never really need to do that. She went in and she cleaned under my gum, she numbed my gum, and she went underneath it and cleaned it with her tools them. That, listen, the dental place there, they do a really good job. Right now, my mouth feels so light. I don't know if I know my number, but it feels so light, like it clean, like literally. I mean, not even know so I have an extra teeth. We have extra teeth, guys. So you have to talk to me, size up to me, because we not only have 32 teeth. Remember, they take out one cell, so I still have all of my teeth them intact. I have my extra teeth running, so we have another appointment 4 weeks because them say my gum, like the pocket is like, it should be 3 but it's 4 and 5. So she want me to heal it, come back, and they will tell me what I need and anything like that. I have a slight overbite, so the bigger dentist doctor is gonna tell me the next 4 weeks, and I'm not paying nothing. So she said next time may I walk fast. Because we need to reach home to go get just to work. Thank God me sure already. Yeah, she said when me what are they? Yeah, so when me not try cross the road. So for sure when I come back then they will determine how much we pay. And she said more than likely $50 because me have insurance. Listen, the last time I go dentist up here and me try to do cleaning because me know me really want to clean my teeth because it's been like since 2022, and the woman to me say can't take me because I have the insurance because they know that cost a lot of money and they say to God we don't have no money. But luckily it's not enough for insurance, and now me clean teeth feel light. Can't wait to go home. But just brush it and get out all the bad blood. As in my teeth bleed, you see? Get out all the blood from it. But we still reach, let me see what time. So yeah, me in a good timing. So 3:17, just put on my clothes, and by 3:30, no, by 4 o'clock, we can walk out 4:15. So we're on time, thank God. Yeah, so that's a little update of me going to the dentist, didn't take out a dime out of my pocket, get free stuff, and I learned so much about my teeth. Yeah, so I catch you later. Them cut the grass, so I don't know if you can hear me, but today is the day we're going to vacuum. You my vacuum. Yo, my head gone, you know. Today we're going to jerk chicken and have a little vibes. Now I'm going to do the whole business right now. You understand? Because I got to see how well the jug pan is. You know, you have to do trial and error. So that's what I'm going to do. Today is Friday. So listen, if you don't get the video tomorrow, in the morning, you better like the video. That's all I have to say, because me not really start edit it. All I do, I put the clips them together. And you see me still a record. Yeah, so there we're going to clean. Well, I am going to clean. I'm going to clean, wipe off all of the table them on the chair, and then I took out the grill, wash the grill and everything, and I'm going to wipe this off. You understand? Because I cannot do it in dirty places, so I'm going to just wipe off the tables and the chair, and then sweep out in here, wipe off the jug pan. But first, I feel like I want to go down there and see what's down there. So should I do it? Or should I wait until next vlog? I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna go down there. So listen, if anything happen to me, just know. Yeah. So I will go down there. If anything bite me, and then guess I know. Oh, Jesus. Should I wait? You know what? I'm gonna wait. If anything happens to me, at least somebody can see. So I'm gonna wait until the person come. Because somebody else can go and keep me company. So when they come, me go down there. Because if something go do me now, and nobody not did to rescue me, no then me dead. And we can't afford that, right? We can't afford V-La-Nessa to die. Right? Because my V-La-Nessa gang. How many say the name again? Miss Gang, Miss Bliss. I don't remember. Jesus. Yo. Anyway, I'm gonna clean.
See the traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can't put in the words how I feel. Twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gon' love me quite like you. Can't even deny it every time I try it. One look in my eyes, you know I'm lying. Body to body, skin to skin. I'm never gonna love like this again. You were made for me, just for me. That you were made.
Alright, so we do the first wipe. So I'm gonna just wash out the water, dash out the water and wash out the rag and get some fresh water, because we know my skin stay and we need to go over back everything with a fresh, clean, bleach water. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then yeah, I think I'm gonna start early because some of these guys are going to work at 4. So if we start early, then can just come and chill and play domino until they get ready to work. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get some fresh water. And then if you see all that, because yeah, and then if you see all that, because I don't want to edit so much, and plus the man that's cutting the grass come closer. And yeah, I don't want a lot to edit, and the background noise is not going to be favorable for owner, so we're not going to do that. So we're just going to hurry up and just do the second wipe, and I'll determine if I need a third wipe. But I'm going to start off with the grill stove, since that's where the food is going to be at, and I think I did a pretty good job. It's clean. Let me show you. It's clean as opposed to the one that over there. So we now use the one there, so yeah. Eh? You're not in there. You can't come, me done now. So, bye. So, one guy come, him a go work. But as I say, we probably start early because none of them are go work. Him a go for the broom, so him a go help sweep. We finish over that side. Thank God I'm going on a trip. Come now. Yeah. don't eat yet. A house? One seat in there. Come. You can't sit down there. Yeah. I'm afraid. I look if that jump out first. Then come go and smoke down there. Bird nest. Come then go and smoke down there. Nothing down there. Come. Look then they smoke in here. Funny water ponds.
Only for me, you were made for me. Oh yeah, you were made for me. It ain't every day that I get in my feelings this way.
I enjoyed chicken. Then I played domino. And because me as chef, me don't play. Not even domino Ludo. Because me as chef, me can. Me as chef, so me have to have it up and down. So we need to go for the charge of the speaker. And we need little sugar to put in the sauce. Because the ketchup over here kind of tangy. I don't like it. So, yeah. Today Friday, no? Today Friday and tomorrow Saturday, you know what that means. Hopefully, I'm going to try get it out early still. Thank God I start vlog. I'm not start now, I start cook early, so I can't get it. She's shocked too. Hello. So you have come to the end of another vlog. Thank you for watching and thank you for commenting, subscribing, liking. And if I'm saying thank you and you have not done any of those three, then I'm not talking to you. So if you have not yet done any of those, please just go ahead and do it. And share it with your friends and family. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come over here so I just watch the lifestyle of an HDB recipient. Yes, so today was okay. We jerked chicken and I went on a little adventure as you see in the vlog. Next week will be better. I'm gonna see to it, okay? I'm gonna see to it that next week is better. Alright? Okay? Alright. So drop in the comments VP gang to all my VPs. Yeah, drop in the comments VP gang. And if you're not yet a part of the VP gang, what are you doing? Like, where I do? Anyway, it is after 12. It's 12:55, and I'm just gonna put this clip in the vlog and then give it to you tomorrow. You can't say me eye, right? Me say eye. Anyway, we're gonna put this in, edit this part, and then put it out. Guys, if nothing wrong in the video, listen. I was listening today, okay? Alright? Just type in the comment. Let me know. I want to know. I want to know what I can do better and what I've done wrong. Like, listen, when me edit, the amount that word when me say when me not to say. Like, listen. Anyway, I chat too much now. Catch you next week. Alright?